Good morning. Welcome to Grow and Preserve. I'm Carter. Glad you're here with me today. This is going to be a very quick video because I want to show off my very first melon that I've ever grown. This is the Minnesota Midget from Baker's Creek, and we're going to cut into it and see if it actually looks and tastes like a melon in there. So we'll see. It turned a little more orange than I was expecting, so it may be a disaster inside, but we'll see. I'm going to bring it down here in a second and we'll cut it open. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks like a baby cantaloupe. I'm so excited. That's exactly what I was hoping for. I'm going to scoop the seeds out. Oh, it is so ripe. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, how juicy that is. All right, this is breakfast. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, you need to try the Minnesota Midget. It was ready a few days early. I think that's probably because we were so hot this year. So that's the Minnesota Midget, the first ever melon I've grown in my garden, and I'm so excited. I hope you'll try this one next year. All right, I'm gonna go finish my breakfast. I'll see you back here later today and we'll do some canning. Bye-bye.